I bet there's some simple solution to this that I just do not see right now. Hey guys, we're here today for another episode of How Hard Could It Be? The series where I tackle simple maintenance on cars without looking up how to do it, just to see how much of a mess I can get myself into. This week, new headlights. Now, the Ford seems to be needing something every week, which is great for content and you guys, but not good for my wallet. But let's get to it. Alright, so there's a cap back here. It needs to come off somehow. Let's see if I can. Get it! Oh, okay, there we go. That's nice. Does it come out easy? Nope, doesn't come out easy. Gotta be a better way to do this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take the headlight off, see if we can get it from there. Please be friendly. It's hot. Oh, it's this. No. Why you do this to me? Maybe I can try again. Golly gee. Uh-oh. Oh. I took the cowl connected to the hood latch off and found a little bit of a surprise. Glad I did. Gonna clean that up real quick. So this is all what I pulled out from down in there, right by the intake that goes back to the airbox hidden behind the little cowl. There's so much stuff right in there. Look at that. Look at it all. And this was just supposed to be for headlights. Awkward. I bet there's some simple solution to this that I just do not see right now. So I know you're laughing, but don't laugh too hard. So this was actually proving a lot more difficult than I thought. So Hannah has actually looked up how to do it.
I did, because Cam was about to take the whole front part off the car. And my hint to Cam is you don't need to take anything off the car to do this. Like, it's actually very simple.
I had a feeling, because I've taken this off, and I'm trying to take the light out because I thought it would be easier, but I guess that's not the way.
Do you mean taking what out?
Oh, I meant taking the light out completely.
No, you don't need to take this off. You don't need to take anything off the car.
I didn't think so, but it was so difficult to actually get the light bulb out that I just couldn't do it.
No comment.
So Hannah's gonna give it a go.
I should have paid more attention to the video. I didn't know I would be doing this.
Moment of truth.
Okay, so the bulb is in here. You have to take the bulb and spin it. Did you try spinning it? So if you spin it...
I didn't try spinning
Heck
it.
yeah, look at me, the parking lot mechanic. You have to spin it to take it out.
Ah,
You don't pull it.
spin it. That's unfortunate.
Would you have
but
ever tried that?
Maybe eventually, but I ended up finding the stuff in here, which is good. But
And then you take the bulb off. I don't know how. Do you know how? Do you know how to take the bulb off?
well, you were the one who pulled it out. so
I
you can
got
do
you
it.
the bulb.
Yeah, see if you can do it.
I don't know. I feel like you would just spin it, but I don't want to break anything. Spinning is the key, I guess. Or
I'll show you what the
not.
bulbs look like so you know what I have to take off.
Oh.
There
Well,
we
you would have to take the whole thing off. Do you take the green part off?
No. There's a clip in the bulky part.
This bulky part?
Yeah.
What? Do you like pinch it?
Yeah, there's a way to pinch it. You got to figure it out.
I feel like you would push the colorful thing, but I guess not. I don't know. See, I helped you. Now you have to help me.
You see, there's that clip back there.
Uh-huh.
There's something you got to do with that.
You push it up. I don't want to break it.
Probably more like push it down, I'm guessing.
Oh, okay. Ah, I did it. Okay. You take your bulb out of the package and you just pop it back in there. There we go. It's kind of hard since you can't see it.
I know. Oh, I kind of see. Oh, I can see it in the front. It's kind of
Your head's in there. Where is it? Point to it.
back in there.
Oh,
My big head is in the.
your head's not big.
Wait. So it's. Oh, there's a huge. Oh, wait. Do I go this way?
Did you get
I
it?
think I got it.
Yay!
Wait. There it is.
Got it.
If I'm being completely honest, I never would have thought to twist. But that's what this whole series is about. Getting into a mess. That's what we did. Now time to put all my mess back together. One thing I do know about headlight replacement is best to replace both at the same time. So now that my wife has taught me a lesson, let's replace this one real quick. Well, that definitely got shown up. You really should look up how to do something before you tackle it. But that's why we're doing this series, just for fun and see what types of mess I can get into. And today was a pretty decent one. So for more in the future, have a good day, guys.